Good afternoon, traders. This is Austin, bringing you what I'm seeing, what I'm looking at from the markets. Today is Monday in the U.S. States, August the 20th. Actually coming off my birthday. I had a good weekend. So now, back to the markets. I have two New Zealand dollar trades open right now. One is at 80.75 and the other one is at 80.79. I entered the first entry at 80.75 on this candle right here, right after the stochastic cross. As far as support, what do I have? I have this rising trend wall. I have this rising trend wall from the end of June. Alright. And now it's starting to interact with it again. It seemed like it stalled, and made a move higher. Right above this 38.2 fib level from this rally up from the end of July. So we got some support. Obviously, we're going up against the 4-hour 50 moving average, but nonetheless, we still got some solid support. We actually made a run up, and we actually got knocked back right after the U.S. Michigan survey. Expectations came out better than expected, and that caused the U.S. dollar to rally. So we brought us back to this confluence area where this this spot type of trade presents itself. 38.2 fib level, rising trend wall, sweet spot right here. You see, it didn't go too much past that X spot. It didn't go no wicks below that X marks the spot. And now we're starting to make our move. Our way back up. Now we do have the Reserve Bank of Australia minutes tonight. I believe it's 9:30 Eastern time. So that's definitely gonna give us some volatility issues. That might work for us, or that might work against us. But nonetheless, from my original stop, which was located right below these group of wicks right here, after this entry on this candle right here, I was able to cut that in half. So now I got half the risk, same reward. On my other entry, I have my original stop, which I entered on the 1 hour after I got the retest of this trend line. I got the retest of this trend line, stochastic cross from the undersold area back above this 20 level right here. Pulled my entry right on this candle. Pulled my entry, 20 pip stop. Same, risking the same, only risking 20 pips, aiming for the same as my original entry. Can't beat that. So now I've decreased my risk. So now I feel even better about the trade. I'm not risking that much. Reward is still the same. So now I'm locked in this trade. I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to let it do its thing. We got the Reserve Bank of Australia minutes tonight, which will cause some activity, especially and some volatility. I was actually thinking about pulling an Aussie dollar long as well. Now you see, excluding here, I'll take this off. We have this trend wall. You can see the activity around this trend wall, very, very concrete. And the market knows what it wants to do when it interacts with this trend wall. It's either going to go down, test lower levels, shoot back up, produce a pin bar like this, break back up, and now we're interacting with it again. We also have this 38.2 fib level of this move from the end of July up, correlating with the one from the Kiwi dollar. And we have this major support at 0.440. So now we got this confluence area, and now I'm looking to go long. I've gotten my signal with the stochastic cross coming from undersold back above 20, and now I'm looking to where I can enter it in this area. I might take it if I get a decent enough price before the announcement comes out, then I'll take it. If not, then I'm just gonna wait it out. I got two Kiwi positions open right now. I'm not looking at the euro. I'm not looking at the pound. I'm only trading New Zealand dollar and a possible Aussie dollar for right now. So that's what I'm looking at. We see what happens. Obviously, no one knows where the market is going, but I like that setup. I've seen that setup, and I'll trade that setup. That's me as a trader. That's what makes me money. So that's what we're looking at. So we see what happens. Happy trading. Good luck to you all. Any questions, email me, Smith A, SMITH. The number is 241914 at gmail.com. So that's Smith A 241914 at gmail.com. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.